Welcome to this Mash Bite, where I will showcase Purple Mash's new Grammar for Writing scheme of work. This comprehensive scheme covers all statutory grammar content for years 1 to 6 as outlined in the English National Curriculum. It supports teachers in delivering grammar, vocabulary and punctuation learning via a well-resourced scheme that teachers can follow either via year group or by thematic content. Resources organised by year group have been mapped to meet the curriculum requirements for each year. You can also navigate the scheme by the resources organised by theme. These relate to specific areas of grammar, such as prefixes, tenses, or word etymology. The resources and activities have been colour-coded to indicate the age group they are most appropriate for. Each grammar lesson within the scheme is centred about the learning objective. The grammar lesson objective is covered with a slideshow and 3 online activities plus a printable worksheet. The slideshows introduce the grammatical focus and the correct corresponding terminology, whilst explaining key concepts along with activities for children to complete either independently, with a talk partner, or in small groups. The final page of each slideshow contains previews and clickable links to explore and demonstrate the activities along with your learners. The online and printable worksheets are optional resources you may want to use within the classroom or set as to-dos for homework. These activities include quizzes, closed passages, word classification and sorting games. As with most Purple Mash resources, any quiz or game can be adapted by teachers to help suit the level of ability or challenge aimed at the children you work with. As with any quiz or game activity within Purple Mash, teachers can easily view children's answers and accuracy with a few clicks. All data linked to each activity can be monitored from within the data area, which allows you to identify areas to focus on and see any gaps that might need addressing. All of the children's online grammar work gets stored in their Purple Mash work folder, so it's a great way to evidence their progress. PDF activities can also be set as online work via the to-do system, which allows children to complete the worksheet online and will store a digital copy of their worksheet in their folder too. You just need to ensure that you select the option to use the PDF annotator mode. If you have focus groups within your class for grammar work, you can easily digitally create and manage groups on Purple Mash to ensure the correct activity at the most suitable level of challenge can be set to the relevant cluster of learners.